Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study App Physics C. Start by mastering calculus essentials and core physics concepts, then set up a consistent study routine. Focus on building intuition for forces, fields, and motion, while practicing problem setup and algebraic simplification. Use brief daily sessions, supplemented by full-length practice exams, and review mistakes carefully to turn errors into learning. Warm up with focused problem sets that isolate one concept at a time, then move to mixed topic problems. Time yourself periodically so you become comfortable with exam pacing and pressure. After each session, write a concise error log highlighting missteps in setup, algebra, or concept usage, then revisit those topics with brief review notes and corrective practice to lock in stronger habits. Pick a small set of high-quality resources and stick with them to avoid confusion. Combine textbook chapters, clear lecture videos, and official, past free response questions to see many problem styles. Make a concise formula sheet of key equations and sign conventions for quick daily review, and practice with the calculator you will use on test day so arithmetic and mode switches never slow you down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.